What are you doing? Are you exercising? Get some muscles. Do it.
Talk to me, Marty. What's the intel on Operation?
Uh-oh.
Are you sure I have that pic?
Whoa!
I'm sending you a visual on like that.
Okay. Do your muscles now. Let me see you get some muscles. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Look at me and go. Roar! Look at Nana. Look at Nana. What are you getting? Muscles? Let me see your muscles. Show me. Show me your muscle.
Whoa!
Sometimes I think you're the only person I can really talk to, LJ.
Okay. Whoa! Oh! What'd you do? Did you fall out of the chair? Whoa! You're gonna get hurt. You need to be careful. Look at Nana. Show me your muscles now.